Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up categories in QuickBooks. First, let's understand why categories are crucial for organizing your financial data. They help you track income and expenses accurately, making tax time and financial analysis much simpler. We'll begin by navigating to the chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your financial organization. Then, I'll show you how to add new categories for both income and expenses, ensuring every transaction has a proper home. When creating a new account, selecting the right account type is the first critical step. This determines how the account behaves and appears on your financial reports. Next, give your category a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Finally, assign a detail type to provide more specific information about the account's purpose. This helps QuickBooks categorize it correctly and enhances your reporting capabilities. Subaccounts are a powerful tool for organizing your chart of accounts and gaining deeper insights into your finances. They allow you to group similar expenses or income under a broader parent category, creating a hierarchical structure. I'll guide you through linking these subaccounts to their respective parent accounts. This organization not only makes your chart of accounts cleaner, but also significantly improves the detail and usefulness of your financial reports. Maintaining an accurate chart of accounts is an ongoing process. Your business needs may change, so knowing how to edit existing category names or types is essential. You can also make accounts inactive if they are no longer needed, keeping your list tidy without deleting historical data. Regularly reviewing your chart of accounts ensures it accurately reflects your current business operations and provides reliable financial information.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.